Welcome to the channel of Top Tips for Entrepreneur.
Blueland is a company that is revolutionizing the household cleaning industry by making their products more sustainable. Their products are water-free and come in tablet form, which reduces the amount of plastic waste produced. Blueland was recently awarded Amazon's Products for Tomorrow Award, which recognizes small businesses that are creating innovative and sustainable products. This is an inspiring story because it shows that it is possible to create a successful business while also being environmentally conscious. Blueland's founders, Sarah Paiji Yu and Lindsay Zhang, saw a problem in the world and decided to do something about it. They created a product that is better for the environment and for consumers. Blueland's success is a reminder that we all have the power to make a difference. If you have an idea for a product or service that could make the world a better place, don't be afraid to go for it. Even if your idea seems small, it could have a big impact. Here are some specific takeaways from Blueland's story that you can apply to your own life. First tip, don't be afraid to think big. Blueland's founders started their company with the goal of revolutionizing the household cleaning industry. They didn't let the fact that they were a small business stop them from dreaming big. Second tip, focus on solving a problem. Blueland's products were created to solve the problem of plastic waste produced by traditional household cleaning products. When you're starting a business, it's important to focus on solving a real problem for people. Third tip, be persistent. It took Blueland's founders several years to get their business off the ground. They faced many challenges along the way, but they never gave up. If you have a dream, don't give up on it, no matter how many challenges you face. I hope this story has inspired and motivated you to pursue your own dreams. Remember, you have the power to make a difference in the world. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more stories of successful entrepreneurs, as well as practical tips and advice to help you start and grow your own business. Thanks for watching.
I hope this video has inspired you to start your own small business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more videos on how to start and grow your own business, achieve financial freedom, and live your best life. Thanks for watching.